welcome to Family Furniture.
Oh, thanks.
My name's Lori. I'm a chair specialist.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
I'm Michelle. Nice to meet you too.
So what can we help you with today?
I'm redecorating my home office. I've been using the same desk chair forever and it's not very comfortable. So.
All right, so you're looking for a new chair?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of needs do you have for your chair?
Well, I'm working at the computer most of the day. So I need something that's supportive and comfortable for that.
Mm-hmm.
And my boys like to game on the weekend and they, trash the couch. So if they had something to sit up in that was supportive and comfortable for them too, then that might work for that as well. I don't know. That's not totally necessary, but.
Okay, well, what I'm hearing you say is you want something supportive and comfortable for your work.
Yes.
But also flexibilities for you to use it and for your boys to use it.
Yeah.
So, what about your decoration? What kind of look and feel do you have for your office?
Well, it's modern, grays, blacks and whites. It's minimalistic. I don't want a lot of big artwork, just some simple stuff on the wall. I don't want to be distracted when I'm trying to work.
Right.
So
we'll stay away from the neon gaming chairs over there.
Yeah.
But
maybe for Christmas.
Yeah, let's start with this one right here. So this black chair is one of our most popular. It has a 4.8 out of 5 rating online.
Okay.
Very good quality brand. What I like for support, you've got this headrest. You've got this backrest here that's adjustable. You can see this cushion here will support the lumbar.
Oh, I didn't see that.
Yeah, so that's one of our great features.
That's cool.
It is adjustable. It'll adjust in height as well as the armrest, and the headrest can adjust. So, if your boys, I don't know if they're taller than you yet or still little, but
almost, yeah.
so that's adjustable. Why don't you go ahead and see how it feels?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, what else do you have?
Now this chair over here, this one is a little bit more value-wise, so it's going to be a little bit lower cost. But what you do get that's really nice is this kind of soft, comfortable material. It's a little bit more cushioned than the black chair. It's a good swivel, and it does have adjustments here, both for the height and the armrest as well.
Okay.
So why don't you go ahead and try this one out?
All right. Yeah, that's different. I'm still not sure.
Okay. Well, what other questions do you have that I can answer?
What about assembly?
Ah, yes. So this chair here, I bought one. It had very good directions in the box,
Okay.
but I'm not very good with directions. I tried to put it together and I was getting stuck at one part. So they had a helpline, which you can call and talk to a real person who will help you out.
Oh,
So definitely a
good.
great selling feature for this chair that I think you can figure it out. They do give good directions, but if you can't, they do have that personalized help.
What's the price difference between these two? I know you said this one, there was a deal.
Yes. So this chair here runs about $200. We've got a special going on this brand of chair through the end of Friday, saves you about 10%.
Okay.
So you're looking at, $180, $190 probably once you add the tax. This chair's more of a value chair.
Yeah.
We sell the everyday low price of about $100. So you save a lot of money, but there's some features here that might make this worth it. Just depends on where your budget's at and what you really like.
Yeah. Okay. Sit on this one.
Yeah, try this one again, see what you think.
I just really like the feel of this one. I think this is the one I'm gonna take. Thank you.
Perfect. And so while you're here, do you need a chair mat? Do you need one of the footrest or anything else for the office?
I don't think so, but I could always come back if I decided to purchase one of those. But I'll just start with the chair.
Okay, so next step is we'll meet up at the counter. They can get it packaged, get it ready to load, and we'll calculate your final sale.
Okay, thanks.
Michelle, thank you so much for your purchase and coming in to see us at Family Furniture.
Well, thank you.
So happy that you're getting this chair that you really like. Don't forget, these are the instructions. It's got the customer service number on there. Any issues with the chair, make sure to call them directly and you will be talking to a live representative.
Great, thank you.
And then I know you're redecorating your office. If you have any other needs, there's my business card.
Perfect.
Come back and see us anytime. We have a great sale going on in a few weeks, 4th of July, America's 250th birthday. So
yeah.
the store gonna have lots of things on sale. You can come in and browse around. Just, be thinking about what you need and how we can help you.
Yeah, great. Thank you so much.
Wonderful interacting with you, and may you go home and enjoy that share.
Thanks.